If you're looking to move your WordPress media library from one site to another, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transfer your images, videos, and other media files using the trusted all-in-one WP migration plugin, saving tons of time, whether you're redesigning, moving hosts, or setting up a fresh project. Let's jump right in and make this process smooth and straightforward for you. First, let's prepare the original site, the one you want to copy your media library from. Head into your WordPress dashboard and look for Plugins on the sidebar. Click on it, then select Add New. This is where you can search for new tools to help manage your site. In the search bar, type All-in-One WP Migration. This plugin is a favorite among WordPress users for simple site migrations, as it takes care of everything, including your media library. When you see it pop up in the results, click the Install Now button, and once it's ready, hit Activate. You'll know it's working once you spot a new all-in-one WP migration option in your dashboard menu. If you've never installed a plugin before, don't worry, it's just a couple of clicks and there's no code or complicated setup involved. With the plugin activated on your first site, you're ready to start the export process. Click on All-in-One WP Migration in the dashboard and then select Export. You'll see options for what parts of your site to export. If you want just your media library or the whole site, you can adjust the settings, but for most people moving media, exporting the site usually tackles it all. Just click Export Site. The plugin will gather all your media files, posts, and important data, packaging it up into a downloadable file. This can take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of images or video files, so sit tight. The export file will then be ready for download. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Next, let's move over to your destination site, the place you want your media library to go. Open up the WordPress dashboard for your second site and just like before, head to Plugins, click Add New, and search for All-in-One WP Migration. Make sure you install and activate the plugin here as well. It's important that both sites have it or the import won't work. Once you've got the plugin running on your new site, click on All-in-One WP Migration and select Import. You'll be prompted to upload the export file you downloaded earlier. Go ahead, find the file and start the upload. This step might take a little while, especially if your media library is packed full of photos and videos. Don't worry if it seems slow. The plugin is carefully moving everything over, making sure your media files stay intact. Follow any on-screen steps the plugin gives you. Usually it's just clicking through a few confirmations, but always double-check what's being imported so you know your media library is coming over just as you expect. Once the process is done, your new site should be fully stocked with all your media files from the other site. That's it, your library has made the move. And there you have it, a reliable, hassle-free way to move your WordPress media library from one site to another. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a like. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more WordPress tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site migration.